If you clicked on this video, you want to know how to keep in touch with your previous customers. You can apply exactly the same for your business. My name is Peter and I have studied what business people do for 15 years. I have spent countless hours watching their content. I have helped other business owners with my business advice service to move faster in their business. Send your current and previous customers every video that you publish because they might contact you in the future or they can refer you to others. Create a list of customers and send emails and WhatsApp messages, but only 90 a day because after 100 WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp will block you for 24 hours. Add this message: Hi, this is my last video, youtube.com. If you no longer want to receive these messages, write stop. Wishing you a nice day. This sentence is important because you don't want to bother somebody. It gives the power back to your previous customers. Throughout this video, we looked at what and how to keep in touch with all your previous customers, but just knowing what to do is not enough if you don't have the system to actually find, onboard, and service customers successfully.